Hello guys, is your Samsung phone touchscreen not working? Do not worry, we have a solution for you. Touchscreen is what makes a smartphone usable because it is the only way you can interact with the device. Yes, you can connect a USB mouse, but hey, this is a smartphone we are talking about. If a touchscreen suddenly stops working, this means that you won't be able to use the phone anymore. Fortunately, there are a few ways you can restore your Samsung touchscreen back to normal. Before you repair your touchscreen, you need to know the reason for the malfunction. The screen may not work due to a physical damage after the phone has dropped from your hand. It may not work due to a software bug, which can freeze the screen. The screen can also malfunction due to an Android system issue. For the first reason, there is nothing that you can do than to take your phone to the service center. But for the other cases, there is a solution that you can take at your home. You can fix your Samsung touchscreen using Altphone Android System Repair. This professional Android system recovery software will solve more than 150 Android system issues by reinstalling a new Android firmware package to your phone without data loss. Download Android System Repair for free from Altphone website to fix your Samsung touchscreen to normal in 3 steps. Step 1. Launch the software and connect your device to the computer via USB. On the main interface, click on Repair Android System and press the Repair Now button to begin the process. Step 2. Select the correct device information to proceed. Make sure you enter the right information or you may break your phone. Once the information is selected, click on Next. Step 3. The software will automatically start downloading the right firmware package for your device. Once the download is complete, click on Repair Now. It automatically starts installing the downloaded firmware. Once the process is complete, the phone will restart and you will be able to use it once again. If your touchscreen suddenly stops working, this is the first thing that you should try. To force restart, press the power and the volume down buttons together until the phone turns off. And that's it. If your touch is still not working, go to the next step. The touchscreen may have stopped working due to a recently installed app. In that case, you can boot your device into safe mode and uninstall the app that was installed recently, and reboot your phone into the normal mode to check if the issue has been fixed. To enter the safe mode, turn off your Samsung device and press and hold the power button till your phone turns on. Then release the power button, but keep pressing the volume down button until the phone turns on. Clearing the system cache might also solve the problem if a recently installed app is not the problem. Enter the recovery mode and navigate to the Wipe Cache Partition option using the volume buttons and confirm your choice with the power button. The touch doesn't work in this mode. Finally, reboot your system from the Reboot System Now option. This will likely fix the touchscreen issue. If none of the other methods work, then the only step left is to factory reset your Samsung device. To proceed with the factory reset, enter the recovery mode by pressing the necessary key combinations. Once in the recovery mode, navigate to the Wipe Data or Factory Reset option and confirm your choice. Finally, reboot your system from the Reboot System Now option. This will restart your phone and fix the touchscreen. So, in this video, we shared how to fix your touchscreen not working on your Samsung phone. Altphone Android System Repair is the best solution to fix your Samsung and Android system problems without losing any data. That's all for this video. Like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Altphone channel. See you next time.